Hey, I'm Gerald. This is Terry. This is Shane. We're three brothers together. Okay, we're going to box this front wall here simply because as we box up around our gable, it'll be easier to box when you're using a nail gun. And after we get this in box, we'll proceed to put on our gutter boards and our barge rafter or float rafter, if you will. And then we'll be ready to sheet the roof of this little addition. So that's the next thing in process. Leaving this end open so we can slide our plywood that's going to be the inside of our walk-in closet through there, because we've not yet taken the window out and cut out a doorway, which will allow us to continue working on the outside here in this portion of the addition without taking the mess on the inside of the house. So we plan on taking the window out and installing the door later. So we're going to leave this portion open as a way to get in and out of our walk-in closet as a temporary. So we're going around the other side, going to box it up solid. We're now going to start sheeting our roof, for our rafters, covering them up, and then we're going to put some house wrap over it as a temporary shield against the weather. So we have two sides now to put our sheeting on. Rafters are laid out on 16-inch center, so we're going to pre-mark all of our material to allow no missing with the nails, so it gives you a nailing guide. So that's what's up next. Okay, we've now got our addition with the rafters on and got it sheeted and nailed off with our float rafter, which is called normally a barge rafter, and our gutter boards on. So now we're just going to take regular house wrap and we're going to cover that roof so it can shed water, because it's not going to be exposed to the elements for a very long time, or for a long period of time rather. So we're just going to use this as a temporary water shield to shed the water off of that roof. You could probably use felt paper. There's all types of things on the market, but I found out that house wrap, if it's only for a short period of time, is just as good as anything that you can use. We plan on putting a metal roof on this, and we need the vapor barrier for that type of roofing materials anyway. So we're going to get started on that right now. Well, we've reached the conclusion of day 2 and a day of what brothers do. Now, we've worked together. You and your family can do the same thing, or you and your best friend can do exactly what we have done. We're trying to make this as simple and as easy as possible. Even though we've got it under some temporary roof, in other words, under a fabric, we're going to proceed to work at this, and we'll have many more videos concerning this little addition right here for you to see and to consider, and it may be even give you a few ideas about what you need to do yourself. So, thanks for watching. Pretty good day. It's better than setting it on. If you enjoyed any of this, if you're learning anything, subscribe. Like our channel.
Like.
That's right, like. And
Like.
share it with your friends. Share.
Share. All your friends.
Even on Facebook.
Yes. So, that'll make us happy, and we can afford meal for cornbread and fire for our stove. We appreciate you. We'll see you guys.